really sour.
Nasty.
And when I was little, we used to be
It's not even filming.
this is the red light time. You're not even the next light.
Go, 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 go,
It took me
go.
off of my tongue.
Go, 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 go. Go, go. You're turning red. You're turning so red. Blotchy red.
Just I went like that real fast, all the blood rushed to my head.
No, it's because of the sourness, because it happens to me too. It's all gone now.
I don't know, but I don't want to move to the side of my mouth yet. Because then I'll touch my tongue again, and that's why I convulsed last time. Okay.
How good?
Go for it. Okay, I made it. My eyes are getting water in a minute. Okay, there's a sour parts coming.
That sounds good. And that was Melissa eating a warhead.